If you suspect that your WhatsApp account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. If you are logged out, you will need to reinstall the app from your device's App Store. Step 2. Verify your phone number. On the welcome screen, enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Make sure to select the correct country code. Tap Next to receive a verification code via SMS. Step 3. Enter the verification code. Check your SMS messages for the verification code sent by WhatsApp. Enter this code in the app to verify your identity. If you do not receive the code, you can request a call to receive it instead. Step 4. Restore your chat history. Once verified, WhatsApp may prompt you to restore your chat history from a backup. If you have a backup available, follow the prompts to restore your messages. If not, you can skip this step. Step 5. Secure your account. After regaining access, go to Settings Account Two-Step Verification and enable this feature. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a PIN when you register your phone number with WhatsApp again. By following these steps, you can regain access to your WhatsApp account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.